Most farms are operated by a single person, or maybe another one, and a lot of machinery repairs and maintenance needs to be done away from farm buildings in isolated areas. So you need to stop. Do you have the proper equipment to do these things? What could go wrong? Rotating blades could cut off a hand or a foot. Machinery could fall down and crush someone underneath that's working on it. If you take a shortcut and step over the power takeoff shaft, it could result in entanglement. Think, do you have everything in place that you need to do? Is your machinery maintained properly? Could help arrive on time if necessary? Act. Make certain that you tell people where you are, that you have a cell phone handy, and that people are aware of your return in case something does go wrong. Do you have first aid equipment ready and handy and people that know how to use it? Farmers often work in isolation and they need to stop, think, and act and make sure that they have a safe work environment for the jobs that they do.